Hey guys, Ken here. I thought I'd pop in and just show you something that I've changed in my eBay store. I read that if you have a featured category section, that you can make up to 47% more sales. So we all want more sales. So that's what I did. I created 4 featured categories. As you can see, I created one called aircraft, one for trains, one for ships, and another one for NASA. These are 4 of my top performing categories. So, when you click on one of those now, then what happens is it takes you right to that page, right to that category, and shows you all the cards that I have under that category. And of course, I have my just in category. These are usually new cards that come in that I rotate out every once in a while. And then I've got the rest of my cards, as they come into the store. But just thought I'd show you that. And hopefully, if you haven't done that, maybe you could do that and it'll make you some more sales. Okay? Just thought I'd share that. You guys have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye for now.